Hello folks and welcome back. On this episode we installed a bike rack on the back of our casita along with lights. Sit back, relax and enjoy the show. Now that we have our hitch on the back of the Casita Travel trailer, which we showed the previous video of that, I want to be able to run lights on the back of the hitch because when you put the bikes on here it does cover up the lights on the back of the trailer. So I put a 4-pin back here and I ran the cables all the way underneath the trailer, and all I did was I tie wrapped the cables to the frame as I came all the way up to the front, and then once I got up to the front I hooked the cable to the 7-pin cable coming out and then ran it up all the way to the end of the pigtail where we plug it into the Jeep. Now that we have the cable up here, what I'll do is replace the 7-pin here with a brand new one. That way I can take the wires from the 7-pin cable and the 4-pin cable and tie them into the plug, so when I plug it into the Jeep I have lights going to the back of the trailer. Now that we've got everything installed, I'll go ahead and show it to you. This is what it looks like where the cable comes out of the pigtail. You can see where I've tie wrapped it underneath. Goes all the way to the back of the trailer, tie wrapped to the frame underneath. And we tie wrapped it here to the actual hitch and bumper. It goes over to the 4-pin, and then the 4-pin plugs in. You'll see where we tie wrap the lights to the bike rack, and we've installed our lights, and you can see that they're operational now. Let's go ahead and load the bikes up, and you can see when we have just the bikes loaded with no cover on them, the tail lights on the trailer are easy to see. But as I'll show you in this picture, when we put the cover on, it blocks the tail lights on the rear of the trailer, so we do need the lights on the back of this rack to be safe. We hope this helps you out if you decide to carry your bikes on the back of your Casita Travel trailer. We will put these items on our website and where you can obtain them from. We appreciate you watching and we thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the campground.